na yung 5 yon magsasama sa loob ng isang Bartolina.
Ang nag-utos po...
Oo, naipasok doon sa Bartolina. Sino?
Yung... Hindi po akong nag-utos.
Sino nga? Ba't hindi mo mabanggit sino? Ba't hindi mo mabanggit sino? This will be your last chance.
Nandito po
I will cite you in contempt. You're lying.
The commander of the guard.
Sadali, you should not speak. I'm speaking unless you're recognized by the chairman. Ang tanong lang diretso, sino nag-utos? If not you.
Ang commander of the guards po. Commander of the guards.
Sino?
Inspector Noni Puro.
Warden, are you the highest official of the Davao colony? No, use the mic, please.
During that time, Your Honor.
You are the highest official.
Yes,
and
Your
being
Honor.
the highest official of the colony, you supervise on every detail of the instructions that are being meted out by the subordinates. Am I correct?
Not all, Your Honor.
No. What I'm trying to tell you, lahat na nangyayari doon sa colony must pass through your office.
Yes, Your Honor.
More importantly, if there are foreigners that will be transferred to a Bartolina. Am I correct? They are Chinese nationals. And even they are convicted and under the our penitentiary in our colony, of course, you have to consider yung tinatawag nating direct supervision. Di ba?
If I may.
Am I correct?
No, Your Honor.
I'm not correct.
Yes, Your
So
Honor.
wala kang pakialam kung ililipat man sila sa Bartolina. Are you saying that? Wala kang pakialam?
Ang sinasabi ko po, we have different level of...
But you are the superintendent.
Yes, I am.
What I'm trying to tell you is you are the head. Ako, halimbawa, ako ang mayor ng City of Santa Rosa. Alam ko lahat ng ginagawa ng mga tao ko. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Dapat sa pagiging warden, ikaw ang pinakachismoso doon. Ikaw ang nakakaalam ng lahat. So in this point, warden, you are trying to tell us nang nilipat yung 3 Chinese who are all foreigners for that matter, hindi mo alam na nilipat sila sa Bartolina.
Pwede pong ipaliwanag,
Go ahead.
Your Honor. Ang PDL, once na mayroon pong violation inside, gagawan po ng report yan, papunta po sa ship commander. Yung ship commander, gagawa siya ng once na ma-determine niya na mayroong violation, gagawa po siya ng confinement order doon sa prison disciplinary dormitory.
Warden, I know there are procedure.
Pero hindi na po yung...
Wait. We know that there are procedures. What we are trying to imply here, that being the warden of that colony, during that time that they were apprehended for having sachet of shabu, tapos nilipat natin sila sa Bartolina. So, nung nilipat natin sila sa Bartolina, we all know that these are all foreigners. And these are all foreigners and high-value targets. And together with the 2 PDLs that they committed and they were convicted of murder, putting them together will put those foreigners at risk. Hindi mo ba naisip yon? During that time, hindi mo naisip na dangerous na ilagay mo yung 3 doon? Sabihin na natin na mga pusher sila, sabihin na natin sila mga drug lords, but hindi mo ba inisip na putting together the 5 of them in one Bartolina will put them in danger?
As I said, Your Honor, yung level of responsibility during that time, hindi na po nakaakyat sa akin kasi mayroon pong ship commander from commander of the guards, ship commander, na siya pong gagawa ng report papunta po doon sa prison disciplinary.
Okay, warden. O sige, sabihin na po natin na hindi na nakarating sa iyo yung responsibilidad. Hindi mo na nalaman, no? Hindi mo na nalaman. Sabihin na natin, sino ang nag-approve na dalin yung 3 at 2 sa loob ng Bartolina? Sino?
Nandito po sa...
Anong pangalan?
Mayroon pong
Warden.
report. Mayroon
Chairman,
pong...
Chairman,
No.
may I interject? Chairman?
Gusto ko lang malaman, Madam Chair. Ay, Madam Chair. Mr. Chair. Kung sino yung nagsabi, okay, na yung 5 yon magsasama sa loob ng isang Bartolina. Sino?
Okay, before you answer, Ambrosio Padilla, Superintendent Padilla, yes, is that related?
Yeah. Ganito na po, Chairman. Sorry, Colonel. You don't need to check and present to us the investigation report. Ang tanong lang ni Chairman Dan is, sino nagutos? If not you, who is? Who?
Ang nag-utos po...
Oo, naipasok doon sa Bartolina. Sino?
Yung... Hindi po akong nag-utos.
Sino nga? Ba't hindi mo
Recommend
mabanggit
ng
sino?
research
Ba't
po
hindi
sa-
mo mabanggit sino?
Sa...
This will be your last chance.
Nandito po
I will
sa-
cite you in contempt.
the,
You're lying.
The commander of the guard.
Sandali, you should not speak. I'm still speaking unless you're recognized by the chairman. Ang tanong lang diretso, sino nagutos? If not you.
Ang commander
Sino?
of the guards po.
Sino?
Commander of the guards.
Sino?
Inspector Noni Poro. Then ipapasa po yan sa...
So no, wag mo akong lituin sa procedure. Is it Foro?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sandali! Foro?
Yes.
O, Mr. Chairman, let me call Foro to sit. Wag mo ilapit doon kay ano. Doon ka sa dulo.
Andito ba si
You're lying eh.
Mr. Poro? Mr. Poro,
Mr.
Ito, Foro ha.
Oo.
Chairman, last lang to, Chairman ha. I
just
just...
the seat there,
No, not beside of Colonel
dito.
Padilla.
Dito ka.
Doon sa kabila. Doon.
Here. Dito, para malapit ka sa amin.
Ito, Chairman ha. Last lang to, last manifestation lang. Colonel Poro,
Okay.
have you taken your oath?
Okay, Comsec, please administer the oath of Mr. Poro.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this public inquiry? So help you God. Thank you.
Chairman, last lang, Chairman. To Colonel po, Colonel ba rank mo ngayon?
Senior Inspector po, Your Honor.
Senior Inspector?
Opo.
Senior Inspector ha, ikaw ang tinuturo. So you have to decide whether you will cover your former superintendent or ikaw yung mananagot dito. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. Mr. Chairman, kanina si Warden was telling us that hindi niya responsibilidad yung pagpapasok ng 5 sa isang Bartolina. And he mentioned that there are levels of approval. 2 ang sinabi niya. Unang level, pangalawang level. Tanong ko sa iyo, Senior Inspector Nonoy Poro, pang ilang level ka sa approval?
Pangalawa po.
Pangalawa.
Actually, pang-tatlo po ako, Your
Pangatlo.
Honor.
So may first level, may second level, ikaw pangatlo. So ikaw ang final approval.
Hindi ang final approval, sir, talaga manggaling sa taas.
Oh, so kay Warden
Opo.
ang final approval.
Opo.
So after your approval, dinala mo kay Warden. So si Warden ang nagsisinungaling. So ngayon, ang final ng approval ng pagpapasok ng 3 Chinese together with the 2 PDLs is under your jurisdiction, Warden. Di ba? Ayun ang sabi ni Senior Inspector Nonoy Poro. Am I right? Kasi ikaw ang sinasabi mo, pangatlong level ka.
From the superintendent, sir. From the superintendent, mayroon pang assistant superintendent for security and operation.
Oo.
Punta po sa akin, commander of the guards. Papunta na po sa ship.
So
commander po.
ikaw ang nagsabi na dalhin yung 3 sa iisang Bartolina.
Hindi po.
Sino?
May advice po si Sir Jerry na...
Sino may advice?
May advice po si superintendent.
So may advice si superintendent na
Opo.
ipasok sa isang Bartolina yung 5.
Opo.
O yun. O sabi mo kanina, Warden, wala kang alam. Hindi mo responsibilidad yon.
Ganito ang nangyari po, Your Honor. Nung nagkaroon po ng violation, ginawa ng report ng Commander of the Guards. Then si Commander of the Guards, tinurn over niya sa Ship Commander. Nung time na yon, during that time, ang Bartolina po namin talaga congested nung time na yon. Naglalaman po ng 12, umaabot pa ng 15, na ang dapat ideal is nasa 7 lang nung time na yon. Naunang dumating doon sa Bartolina yung dalawa, tapos nung nag-consult po sa akin si Commander Puro kung paano ang sistema, kasi dapat po ang nagdadala dyan yung ship commander, siya po ang nagdidesisyon kung saang selda po ilalagay.
Alam mo, Warden, kanina sinasabi mo wala kang alam eh. Kasi sinasabi mo level yan ng ng
Opo.
first level, second level, di ba? Third level.
Nagkaroon po ko...
Now. Ngayon, meron na kayong usapan na nag-uusap na pala kayo kung saan ilalagay yung 5. Am I correct? Di ba ngayon sinasabi mo meron na kayong usapan? Kanina hindi mo alam eh. Di ba?
As I recall, Your Honor, kasi sa sobrang tagal, para lumapit
Can you
siya...
please speak louder with your mouth much nearer?
Lumapit siya kasi nagkakaroon kami ng problema nung time na yon dahil dyan sa sistemang yan.
O yun, so wait, putulin kita doon. So alam mo na pala nagkakaproblema kayo sa sistemang yon. At alam mo na mga foreigners yun. At alam mo merong 2 na PDLs na ang kakso convicted with murder. Bakit pinagsama mo sila?
Wala naman po kami...
Because of the approval of the 3 levels. Is that what you're trying to say?
As recommended.
As recommended by them.
Yes.
Di ba? So, the final approval lies with you. Am I correct?
Supposed to be...
Answer me.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, so you have the responsibility.
Oh.
Ikaw ang nag-approve na yung 5 magsama-sama sa isang Bartolina.
Pero-
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, that is what we are trying to ask. Congressman Johnny Pimentel was asking you.
Pero based-
Di ba? Wait. Kanina sinatanong ka ni Congressman Johnny Pimentel. Ang sinasabi mo, wala kang responsibilidad doon. Ang sinasabi mo, first level, second level, and third level responsibility yan. Hindi ko responsibilidad yan. Di ba? Alam mo, Warden, mahirap magtahi-tahi ng kasinungalingan.
Hindi
Di ba? Alam mo, nakakalungkot. Dahil pinagtatakpan mo yung pagkakasala ng pagpatay doon sa 3 Chinese national. Sabihin na nating pinakamasama na silang tao sa buong mundo. Pero wala tayong karapatan na maging bahagi tayo para magbuhay sila ng buhay. Ano ba yun, Warden? Hindi ka ba nakukonsensya? Hindi ka nakukonsensya? Ha?
Nakakonsensya po.
Nakukonsensya ka?
Opo.
So, ngayon nakukonsensya ka na?
Pero wala po akong kinalaman sa nangyaring patayan.
Paano ka na wala kang responsibilidad samantalang sinasabi mo that you have this final approval. Mr. Chairman, I think this person is lying to his state. At nakita naman po natin that kanina sinasabi niya na hindi niya level yung responsibilidad na yon, and now he's changing his testimony na yung final approval nasa kanya because si Senior Inspector Nono Poro told us na ang final approval lies with the warden, which is the right procedure. In any institution, in any agency, it's always the head who have the responsibility of all what is happening in his agency. And that's the reason why, Mr. Chairman, I believe that this person will always lie in this committee.
Thank you, Congressman Fernandez. Ako, may rejoinder lang ako doon sa tanong ni Congressman Dan Fernandez, Superintendent Padilla. Anong rango mo ngayon?
Senior Superintendent po.
When you were the warden of Davao Penal Colony, anong rango mo?
During that time, we are not yet modernized, yung 10575. I am the penal institution supervisor. Your Honor.
Okay, so now you're a full colonel, kumbaga.
Based po sa 10575 modernization.
Okay.
law.
So you're a beneficiary of the modernization
Yes, Your Honor.
because you were promoted. Is it because of your accomplishments Or is it because you were just a mere beneficiary of the law, the modernization law?
Because of the modernization law, not because of the promotion.
So wala kang meritorious achievement for the government to promote you to your rank now.
I mean, hindi po nangyari yon.
O sige. Alam mo, I think Senior Inspector Noni Foro was just telling the committee kung ano yung proseso. Kasi hindi naman nga tama na alam nila na malalagay sa Bartolina yung mga preso, pero yung boss nila, which is you, hindi mo alam. Now, you keep on evading the questions asked by the members. And you, with your answers, you compel us to believe, to conclude na ikaw ay nagsisinungaling. Dalawang bagay lang po yan kay Superintendent Padilla eh. You are either incompetent, nagtataka kami na hindi mo alam yung procedure, mabuti pa yung the deputy, yung mas mababa sa'yo, alam yung procedure eh. So, you are either incompetent or meron kang kinalaman dito sa krimen na nangyari mismo sa bahay mo. Because this crime was committed under your watch. And that makes you more incompetent. So, nakakalungkot na meron tayong ganitong klaseng opisyal sa ating gobyerno. If proven that you are indeed part of this crime, I am sorry.
Mr.
but
Chair.
The committee
Mr. Chair.
will be compelled to recommend drastic actions for you.
Mr. May I say
Congressman
something, please?
Abante.
Have you, Colonel Padilla,
Yes, sir.
have you ever heard of command responsibility?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And therefore, you believe in command responsibility.
Yes, Mr.
Therefore, the buck ends. The buck ends in your office.
Yes.
Yes. Ibig sabihin, kung talagang naniniwala ka sa command responsibility, nag-report ka, hindi ba? Inspector Foro sa kanya, hindi ba?
Yes po.
Nag-report ka, hindi ba?
Opo.
Therefore, alam niya.
Yes po.
Oh. Why we denying na hindi mo alam? Colonel Padilla, you were denying a moment ago, hindi mo alam eh. Oh, nag-report sa iyo si Foro na nangyari. Alam mo, hindi kita pinagbibintangan na ikaw ang pumatay. Ang sinasabi ko lang sa iyo kung alam mo ang nangyari.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
O yun pala naman eh. Oh, ngayon umamin na Mr. Chair na alam niya nangyari. O magsasabi ka na ng totoo ngayon. Ito na pangalawa ngayon. Alam mo nangyari at meron kang bahagi sa nangyari.
Wala po.
Hindi, meron. Alam mo nangyari, meron kang bahagi sa nangyari. Teka, saan ka ba nakatira? Where do you live?
In Davao City.
Oh, sa labas ba nung compound mo? Sa labas ba nung colony?
During that time,
Yes.
sa loob po ng colony.
Ayun. Sa loob ng colony. Gaano kalayo ang bahay mo doon sa pinangyarihan ng krimen?
More or less 300 meters.
Ay di alam mo. My goodness, alam mo. Hindi mo lang alam. Hindi mo lang alam. Ha? Meron ka pang kalalagyan doon. Meron ka pang kasama roon. Kasama ka sa pagkakaalam. Inspector Foro, tama ba ako o mali? Tama ba ako o mali? Yes or no? Yes. Oh, see? Yun ang sinasabi ko. Hindi lang na alam mo, ha?
answer, yes.
Kasama ka pa. Sinabi ni Inspector Foro,
Your answer,
kasama
Mr.
ka.
Foro.
Yes, right.
Ang ibig ko po sabihin, Your Honor, alam niya na nalagay sa Bartolina po. Pero yung pangyayari na kung ano man yung sinasabi nung hindi ko po alam yun.
Huwag mong pagtakpan yung boss mo. Pinagtatakpan mo eh.
Okay,
Mr.
please
Chair.
proceed, Congressman Pimentel.
Mr. Chair, can I just have a
Congressman Pimentel has the floor, but with the
I will
indulgence
wrap up since there are many questions from other members. Mr. Chair, I would like to put it on record that I certainly believe that Superintendent Padilla is lying. Based on the facts, it will show that from the very beginning, Superintendent Padilla was already clearly involved in the planning. Hindi po mangyayari yung patayan dyan sa bilangguan. Hindi po mangyayari na malagay yung 5 bilanggo doon, yung Chinese national at saka yung 2 pumatay, nang walang tacit approval from Superintendent Padilla. Hindi po tayo rito high school na hindi po natin alam ang regulasyon ng papapagtakbo ng isang bilanggo. Tayo ay po lahat ay halos lahat tayo rito miyembro ng mga gobyerno. Alam ho natin ang pagregulasyon ng gobyerno, lalo na po yung sa bilanggo. Hindi po mangyayari yung insidente niyan kung hindi alam ni Jerry Padilla. Unang-una po, sabi ko na po kanina, nung sa pagplano pa lang, binuo po yan ni Colonel Garma. Kaya nga po, may in close contact si Colonel Garma kay Superintendent Padilla dahil siya ang may hawak ng bilangguan. Hindi magagawa ni Colonel Garma yung pagpatay sa Chinese national without the cooperation of Superintendent Padilla kasi siya ang head ng Dapicol. Siya ang hari po doon. Kaya nga kinontak siya ni Colonel Garma, ilang beses sila nag-usap. In fact, as I've said, he is lying because he talked with Colonel Garma. Personally, nakausap niya si Garma. Doon po, plinano nila. Sabi niya yung Garma sa kanya, ito ang gagawin natin. Bartolina mo yung 5. Sinabi niya kanina, Mr. Chair, na congested daw ang mga Bartolina, may 12, may 7. Bakit doon sa Selda 6, 5 lang sila ang nandun? Congested naman pala, bakit hindi nilagyan ng ibang bilanggo? Everything na nandito po sa salaysay ng mga resource persons natin, lahat ng mga facts na nangyari ng insidente, all leads to Superintendent Padilla, Mr. Chair. Yun lang po, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to move that we recall the 2 witnesses so that they will face Colonel Padilla and tell us if they are true to their oath and to their statement. So move, Mr. Chair.
there is a motion to invite again the 2 witnesses, PDL witnesses, which is presently detained
Second.
in the premises of the House of Representatives, duly seconded. Hearing no objection, the motion is approved. So, COMSEC, please coordinate with the Sergeant at Arms to bring before this committee today the 2 other witnesses.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes,
if I may just read something very quickly.
Congressman Suarez.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, I'd like to point out to Superintendent Padilla. Chapter 5 under Transfer of PDL. Under Section 2, nakasulat po dito, a PDL transfer must be duly covered by the corrections order issued by the superintendent. Kayo po yun. Kayo lang po ang may kapangyarihan para maglipat ng preso sa loob ng isang presuhan. At wag po natin kakalimutan na yung pinaglipatan po ng 2 ay magkabukod na colony. 1 for foreign nationals and 1 for Filipinos. Ipinagsama po sila sa isang Bartolina. At kayo lamang po ang may kapangyarihan ng gumawa nun. Kasi kayo lang po, under the Transfer of PDL Regulation Section number 2, a corrections order can only be issued by the superintendent. This is under
I may,
your
Honor.
direct supervision, mandate, and responsibility. Kaya hindi nyo po pwedeng sabihin na wala po kayong alam, hindi nyo rin po pwedeng sabihin na wala po kayong kinalaman, kasi nandito po nakasaad sa panuntunan na kayo lang po ang may kapangyarihan para magawa yun. Yun lang po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Suarez. Congressman Congressman Paduano, you're recognized.
Thank you, Chairman. Gusto ko lang susugan yung yung statement ni Kong Johnny, yung last. This will be addressed to Chief Inspector Nonil Foro. Ganito po, kanina sinabi ko na, and I thank you for saying the truth na may order galing kay Super. Tama? Okay? Now, kasi sabi niya kanina, na-mention na rin ni Kong Johnny na decongested daw. But of course, how can the situation in that Bartolina is congested kung unang pinasok yung tatlo, di ba? Unang pinasok yung dalawa, silang dalawa lang. Then, ipinasok yung tatlo, umalagwa yung tatlo, na ayaw pumasok, pinalabas yung dalawa, pinasok yung tatlo, then ipinasok yung dalawa. In short, yung Bartolina na yun is purposely for slaughter. Poro, do you confirm na indeed bakante yung Bartolina na yun? Binabakante?
Pwede po paliwanag, sir.
Please.
Actually, sir, ang ating kasing mga tawag doon namin kasi prison disciplinary dormitory, iba-iba po kasi yung size. Kaya siguro,
Diretso na lang po.
Opo.
Okay, I understand. Iba't iba yung size, iba't ibang number of people sa PDL should be there, di ba?
Opo.
But ito kasing case na to, bakante. Di ba? Pinasok mo na yung tatlo, yung dalawang PDL natin, si Tan at sa Magdadaro. Tapos, nung pinasok yung tatlo, ayaw pumasok dahil nakita nila yung dalawa. Di ba? Linabas yung Magdadaro, pinasok yung tatlo, saka pinasok yung Magdadaro at saka yung Tan. How can you explain that? Bakante yun.
sir, actually, sir, yung pagpalagay po sa prison disciplinary dormitory po, ina-assign po yan sa ship commander. Kaya yung ship commander po ang nagdala doon sa Bartolina.
However, I'm just asking you. Okay? I'm just asking you,
Sir.
Chief Inspector Poro. Hindi, kung ikaw hindi ka nagdududa?
Wala po ako doon kasi, sir, sa pangyayari kasi ang ship commander...
Pero di ba, ikaw nag-responde?
Yes po, ako nung
O ikaw, matagal ka na ba? Kaya Chief Inspector ka, matagal ka na, di ba? Hindi ka ba nagdududa? Ito, honest opinion lang. Looking back, ngayon, hindi ka nagdududa, bakit bakante? Pinasok yung 5? Hindi nga.
Sir, kung walang nangyari, di wala sanang...
Yun na nga eh.
Kaya
Kasi may nangyari.
Kaya medyo po...
Duda ka.
Hindi, medyo may ano po.
Medyo may duda ka, of course. Tama?
Opo.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman,
Thank you. Okay, we have a list of interpellators, but before we acknowledge the next, we'd like to give the floor to Senior Deputy Speaker Gonzales.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Chief Noni Foro, ikaw ba nilabas niyo sa selda at ikaw ang nagposas sa dalawa at inilagay mo sa investigation section, si Tata at si Andy?
Yes po, sir, ako po ang unang nag-responde po.
So ikaw ang nagposas sa kanila?
Opo.
Pagkatapos, Mr. Padilla, pagkatapos po ng pangyayari, yes or no lang po, meron pong tumawag sa inyo?
Wala po.
Sigurado po kayo?
Honest to goodness, wala pong tumawag.
We will wait for the two witness, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Wala
Thank you,
pong nangyari.